Everyone is talking about AI agents, but no one mentions the importance of building a strong operational backbone first. One where humans and agents can collaborate. We're going to break down the tips so you can build that foundation. Tip number 1, identify where AI agents can add immediate value for your team. Ask yourself, where is my team doing the same work over and over? What are the teams or processes where agents can step in? Think about high-volume, rule-based tasks. This might include document extraction, data enrichment, compliance checking. These are your fastest wins. Also consider the things that your team doesn't have the bandwidth to do, but knows that they should be doing. The ROI is easy to measure, the value is immediate, and early wins build the case for greater complexity over time, and also allow you to show other teams what AI can do for them. And your team gets time back to focus on work that actually needs them. Next, you want to think about how you're going to give your humans and your agents a shared, structured view of your business. Just like humans, agents need access to the current processes, real-time data, and enough business context to make good decisions. Start by structuring your most important workflows and data so they're visible and connected. In Airtable, this looks like clean fields, linked records, clear naming conventions, and explicit logic, not information buried in a Google Doc or a Slack thread. And connect the tools your team already depends on to this data layer. Slack, Google Drive, Salesforce, Gong, Workday. When everything flows into one place, your team and your agents are always looking at the same picture. Get agents out of chat windows and into real workflows. Modern agents don't just answer questions. They update rows, they create tables, trigger workflows, assign tasks, and send communications. To do that, they need a place to write back to, not just read from. A shared operational layer gives your agents structure they can immediately plug into, so outputs don't pile up in a chat window waiting for you to manually process them. Let's give you an example. A marketer might ask Claude to, say, brainstorm 50 content ideas and write the best ones directly to Airtable as records, complete with owners, deadlines, and status fields. The conversation becomes a real workflow before they've even closed the browser tab. A shared operational layer gives agents structure they can immediately plug into, so outputs don't pile up in a chat window waiting to be manually processed. Next, you're going to want to align on how much autonomy agents should have. The best AI workflows keep humans in the loop at the right moments. Ask, should humans review every output? Or should agents handle specific, repeatable tasks all on their own with humans monitoring for exceptions? When agents log actions and outcomes back into that shared system, you create feedback loops where performance improves over time and insights compound, instead of getting lost. Let's use our same example from earlier. That same marketer could ask Claude to draft 10 blog posts and write them to Airtable. Their team can add notes directly to each record, and Claude can then read those notes and make revisions all without leaving the workflow. Think about governance and security early. You can't hand off your most critical workflows without knowing the right safeguards are in place. Just like you wouldn't give all your employees unrestricted access to all your data and not monitor who has access to what. This will matter more as your agents become more autonomous, not less. So define the guardrails now before you need them. And a bonus tip. As employees get better at working with AI agents, they develop real expertise. That includes prompts that produce accurate outputs and instructions that keep your AI agents on task. This is what we call agent skills. Build shared views where teams can store agent skills, organized by use case, owner, and last tested date. That way, every team can pull from the same proven skills instead of having to start from scratch every time. The best move you can make to prepare your organization for AI agents isn't finding a better prompt. It's giving agents a shared space to work, building that operational backbone with structured data, connected workflows, and visibility for the humans in the loop. With Airtable, that foundation is already in place. If you like these tips, be sure to subscribe. There should be a little button below, somewhere down there.